Hey everybody, it's Andrew Politis here, and holy smokes, I know you're going to be getting this video on Wednesday, but it is now Monday. And usually it's Monday when we record ththese videos, just because there's some turnaround time to get it all loaded up into the email. And so what I want to talk to you about is what happened to oil today. I know everyone wants to hear about real estate. Everyone's used to hearing about real estate, the coronavirus, and how that's going to affect real estate. But today I want to talk about oil. And the reason I also want to talk about oil is because this kind of stuff, first of all, fascinates me. It fascinates all of us at the Expert Investor Academy because you have to look at the economy as a whole and the entire world. We're all connected, and all the markets are connected to each other. But crude oil today hit an all-time low. Something like this has never happened and actually went to negative. So you're actually getting paid to take the oil away. There's too much oil. They can't just really shut off the oil lines. I mean, they can even close the line, but everything's still there. Like it's a much more complicated system. And you can definitely do some research on Google and check out some reliable sources, but you can't just stop the flow of oil. And so basically, a lot of these companies and countries are getting paid to get rid of the oil. So income for a lot of countries that depend on this oil just got obliterated. Small towns and cities that are expecting this, or sorry, that are depending on this and live off of oil revenue just got obliterated. It's definitely going to be fascinating to see how the government and the Fed handle this, what kind of bailout they're going to come up with this, and what kind of trillions and trillions more dollars that they're going to print into existence, how this can spark a hyperinflation. Um, Now, this might bounce in a couple days, especially from where it's been today. I would imagine it's going to bounce a little bit in the next day or two. So probably by the time you're reading this, you'll be able to look back and see what happened on Monday if you hadn't already noticed or heard about it in the news. But this is a fascinating time. I know I'm excited. Anybody who's talked to me, I'm fascinated with the economy right now, the real estate market, uh, the stock market, the oil market, commodities, all of these things, gold and silver, all fascinating to me. But it's definitely a historical time that we're living in. So it'll be interesting to see how it plays out. And I think it's going to be exciting. I think it's going to be kind of a very historical time that we're all going to be telling our kids and our grandkids about. But come on out. We actually don't come on out. Register. We have another masterclass online coming up, and I'm actually thinking that this may be some of the topics. So we're leaning towards, protecting yourself and positioning yourself in this new economy, in this brave new coronavirus world. How to position yourself now for future opportunities, because these opportunities are coming, man. They are coming like crazy, both in real estate and kind of in a lot of different markets. So how to prepare yourself for safety, financial security, how to position yourself to be in the right spot to strike when these good deals happen, but also what all of this stuff means, right? So register for that class. I think it's going to be a good one. It's going to be exciting. I mean, you can probably tell I'm pretty excited. This kind of stuff is really interesting to me. So I hope you enjoyed this. Comment below if you have any feedback or if you have any input into what our next masterclass should be and anything that you'd like to see, any questions you'd like to see answered. Feel free to reach out to me and put it in there, and then we'll connect it all in the next class. We'll connect the dots and see how this all fits together. Okay? Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye.